We're looking for people who have some self-initiative. There's a lot of humility that walks around these hallways and that lives within our divisions outside of these hallways. I mean, it's just a powerhouse.
Everybody here is pretty much family, basically. It's a family and Christian-owned company.
My name is Jonathan Reyes, installer for Dallas Division. Been here 5 years. So we install lightning protection on anything from commercial buildings, downtown, all the way to residential houses. It's not the same thing over and over, not sitting down in the office. Changes every day, really, day to day.
Where Bonded is different is that they do care. You know, you see it on a day-to-day basis. I was blessed that they saw the potential in me early on. 3 years in, I was already on that fast track to moving up to the position where I'm at right now, and I'm definitely grateful for the company for that.
I love my job. At the end of the day, you're learning a lot. I feel like I've grown so much. My manager has helped me grow in this company. I would love to be here for quite a while and keep learning and grow.
I mean, a lot of people in this company, they'll take the shirt off their back and give it to you. And if you needed help on a job site, they'd pick up the phone, they'd come there immediately if they can.
Every area that we're recruiting in, there's been numerous people that have been here in those positions for a long time. We just all work so close together and are invested in each other's lives. We know what's going on. It's just a good family environment.
I almost feel like I've grown up with the company. I've been here for 26 years. I've done everything there is to do with Bonded, running jobs, running divisions, running crews, just like working with family here.
I mean, there's a lot of second generation family here. When you've been around here almost 37 years, it's come a long ways from where we were.
The ideal team player is what we're looking for. Over talent, over skill, over anything else, over education, pedigree, any of that. If you're hungry, humble, and smart, you're gonna fit in fine. We'll teach you everything you need to know.
The people that surround us, that's been the biggest thing, and the people are what make the company what it is. The work that we do, we literally protect people, keep them safe, and that's something that, I'm very proud of.
I love taking care of our customer and getting them protected, giving them the peace of mind. It's exciting to me, to understand what lightning can do, and then also being able on the other side to protect structures and families and people from that.
What Bonded and Algae are, a team of fantastic people that work really hard and that work together to make a difference.